So the next question we're going to do is on page 8. It's number 23. It says base your answer on the information below and the accompanying vector diagram. I've just made it really big for you guys right there. So a dog walks 8 meters north and then 6 meters due east. So he's now over here. He was here and now he's there. So using a metric ruler and the vector diagram to determine the scale used in the diagram. So I measured each of these parts on my own graph here. I measured it in inches, and then I did ratios and stuff like that to get my values. And I found that a single inch on this paper, not here, this is just a blown up version of it, the 1 inch is equal to 3.2 meters. And that is your answer. That should be your answer to part A. Part B, I'm going to show you in the diagram. It says, on the diagram, on your answer sheet or on a separate piece of paper, construct the resultant vector that represents the dog's total displacement. So what displacement is the straight line between 2 points. And so he was here, and he ended here. And so basically, the straightest line between them is right here. Or, sorry, you can't draw straight lines. And that becomes this becomes your resultant force, your displacement force. That is your answer to part B, so I'm just going to make an arrow there saying look over there. And now part C, it says determine the magnitude of the dog's total displacement. The way you figure out for the total displacement is, I'm going to bend down here because I'm short, I'm too tall. What you do is use the trigonometric equation that everyone should know. A squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. And now you just have to you would replace each of the a and the b to find the c value, which is here. So this would be, let's just say that the a value is 8 meters and the b value is 6 meters. So you would plug in for those numbers. 8 meters squared plus 6 meters squared gives you c squared. You get 64 plus 36 is equal to c squared. I should sit down. Then you add these together, you get 100 is equal to c squared. You find the square root of each of these values. And you should have c is equal to 10 meters. And that is that.